Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your credibility with LinkedIn posts about wins and lessons, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current LinkedIn presence. Review your past posts to identify areas where your credibility may have been compromised. Take note of the types of content that received the best engagement. Outline your key professional wins that you want to share. Select one or two wins that are particularly relevant to your audience. Craft a narrative around these wins, focusing on the journey and the skills you applied. Next, identify lessons you have learned throughout your career. Think about challenges you faced and how they contributed to your growth. Frame these lessons in a way that provides value to your audience. Combine your wins and lessons into a cohesive post. Use a storytelling approach to make your content relatable and engaging. Begin with an attention-grabbing opening line. Share your win with excitement and clarity. Transition into the lessons learned, connecting them directly to your win. Encourage reflection by asking your audience for their thoughts on similar experiences. Include relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. Post at optimal times when your audience is most active on LinkedIn. Engage with any comments or reactions promptly and thoughtfully. Consider creating a series of posts focused on wins and lessons to build a narrative. Monitor the performance of your posts to gauge audience response. Adjust your strategy based on feedback and engagement metrics. Keep your content authentic and consistent to slowly rebuild credibility. Regularly share valuable insights to establish yourself as a thought leader. Over time, your efforts will help restore your reputation on LinkedIn. Continually refine your approach based on the evolving landscape of your professional network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.